Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel with me on this session, Forex Live Trading 2022, July the 4th. Right, in this video, we are going to discuss, share our view, and take a trade together and TP together, right? Okay.Right， 所以现在我们来到这个时段，呢，我要先让大家知道说，我们在这里呢，中文节目将在晚上8点钟才会有开播。那么呢，现在这里只有英文，但是如果你听得懂英文，那么呢，想要问问题的话呢，都可以用中文 ，All right。OK， 好，那么再加上呢，这个7月份开始呢，我呢也有在马来西亚里面呢有创了一个群，一个学习群，那么呢让大家能在这个学习群里面呢都可以跟我们一起学习啊。OK， right， so yes, come back again. Well, hi Hubert. Yes, because right now, alright.Right now, I have scheduled the Mandarin session into the US hour, alright, for the Chinese, alright. So over at my point here, I will still continue with English, alright. But however, if anyone will ask me in Mandarin, I will reply in Mandarin as well, alright. Okay. So yep. And yes. Hi guys. Hi Hua-Yi. Alright. Nice. Alright. Okay.Over at this point here, what we are going to look out for, right? So my chart is actually on the Euro CAD now. All right, I'm on Euro CAD now. So Euro CAD today, right now, I'm looking out for selling. So it's the one that I've been aiming for 2 weeks. Okay, I'm aiming for 2 weeks. So right now, I'm still waiting for this dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD over here to actually hits into my target here. All right, so to be exact over here, let me shrink it down first. Okay, so I'm going to shrink it down over to this area. Okay, usually you know my style, right? Okay, so this area will be my targeted profitable area. Okay, so estimated should be here. All right, it may take a few days, all right, or maybe a few weeks, I don't know, but however, whatever it is, okay, so this is what I'm looking out for. Dollar CAD will be one of my main focus over at this point to sell. All right, okay, so yes, let's come back here. Okay, so I guess it's still early in the morning, right now. So I guess plenty of you are still struggling out of the bed because today is Independence Day. Should I trade? Should I take a trade today? Well, okay, it may be a little bit slow, but it doesn't mean that it will not move. Okay, but there still be opportunity out there. Okay, all right.Yes, okay, so good morning, Leonardo, right? All right, so yes, once again, I'm not sure if any one of you have actually noticed or been following me that the past so many weeks, beginning of the year until now, okay.So I have already uploaded some of the videos that actually share with you about the mistakes that I have made in the past. Okay, that actually caused me a lot of losses. But now I'm actually how did I overcome that? All right. So I hope that all these videos will help you. Okay, along the way for the beginners to just like me in the past.So don't be disheartened if you have any losses. Okay, you just need to find out. A solution. All right. You just need to find out a solution. Okay. Don't focus on your mistake. Don't focus on your mistakes too much. Focus on the solution. All right. Focus on the solution that really gives you the way to trade. Okay. Once again, those who are actually on my Facebook right now. right, I would like to invite you over into my YouTube channel over here so that I can see your messages. If not, I have neglected a lot of messages for the past maybe 2 weeks. All right. Okay. So yep. And currently, okay, we are on dollar CAD. Okay, over here. Okay, let's go into dollar CAD. All right. So let's see what dollar CAD can do for us. Okay, and to also see that dollar CAD over here, what is the potential movement it can be like. All right, so dollar CAD over here. Well, okay, before I start, once again, all right, remember to smash the like button. All right, smash the like button. Okay, to smash the like button. I haven't seen your face. Okay, yes, I'm back here, right, guys? Okay, so yeah, so remember to smash the like button, okay, to show your appreciation for the effort behind the videos, as well as also to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can discuss together, we can take profit together during this session. Okay. All right. So of course you can ask your questions. Okay. So yes, Sabrina, you can ask questions if you have any doubts. Right. At the same time, okay, remember to ring up the bell so that whenever I go live, you will receive all the notification. All right. So this is important. Okay. Yes, that is correct. Right. Yep. So once again, yep, we are actually moving towards this dollar CAD. Okay, so yep, right. So let me get ready. Okay, yeah, dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD over here. Okay, so dollar CAD. Okay. Dollar CAD. Let me see if I'm not sure is this a maximum volume. I'm afraid that the volume may go too loud, that they may have some distortion. Okay, so just make sure that everybody can hear me clearly. That's all. All right. So yep. Okay. Just okay. So anyway, okay. Anyway, now on this dollar CAD over here, okay, dollar CAD over here. That's all for my sound test. Okay, right. I think probably not too loud. Okay, so it may have some distortion. Yeah. Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm very near to my mic. Okay, I believe you can hear me. Okay, let me adjust my mic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Okay, so good. Guys, hi. Nice to see you here. My name is Eric. Yes, what is this? Isaac. Isaac, Isaac. I have two Isaac here now. Okay. All right. Isaac, okay. You're from? Oh, currently you are in Dubai. I see. Okay. All right. Nice. Thank you for coming in here. Been following me for quite a while. Oh, I see. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much here. Thank you. Okay. So anyway, yeah. Okay, we shall start here. All right. Hi. Morning. Good morning, Carol. Carol. Yeah. Okay. So over here. Okay. I remember you're from Slovakia. I missed your messages the last round. Okay. You're saying hello in Slovakia, right? Yeah. Let me recall. Okay. Adult, correct. Is it something that do I pronounce it that way? Okay, I'm learning anyway. All right. Okay. Dollar CAD. Okay. Sawadee krab. 168 Sawadee krab. Okay, right, from Thailand, right? So okay, yes, okay, yes, okay. Dollar CAD. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Do I pronounce that Ahoj? Ahoj. I guess so. I think it should be like that. Ahoj. Okay. I will go and find out how to pronounce Ahoj. All right. So yes. Okay. And over at this point here, right? Dollar CAD over here. Okay. When it comes to forex trading, we always remember that there's always a trend like this. Oh yes, Ahoj. Oh yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So I will use that when I see you in person. Okay. All right. So over here, okay. What we are going to do is that, okay, in every forex trading, remember there are stages, different stages. Okay. So over here, from here we can see there's a bull running, okay, very strongly, and after that it started to push up, where all these pushing up, pulling back to sell, pull back to sell, but push up some more to go for a higher price. Am I right? All these are struggling. All these are struggling. So at this point of time, as we can see, it is struggling, correct? So all this struggling at this point, all right? This is something that we should be taking a look. Why is that the struggling, all right? All these are the struggling that perhaps you are going to be very careful. Okay, you are going to be very careful. Okay, what do I mean by careful? All right, when I say careful over here, all right, this is something that I will say. Okay, I will say, all right, this is the stages that when you start to see struggling, perhaps it's not going up anymore. You are being resisted, and changes of the trend is coming. Okay, I would say it's coming. Okay, when it's coming doesn't mean it is already there. Okay, so I have a theory over here. Whenever there's a strong bull, there will tend to have a struggling stage where it is a transition area before it become a bear. All right, before it becoming a bear. So I will identify this area as a transition area. Okay, then we will start to see that, you know, now it's out of my transition area. That means it's actually having a reversal. The chances of going back is increasing. All right, so we can grab the opportunity. Okay, so but of course there's no definite, correct? There's no 100% that this will work. But then again, from experience for so many years, okay, we have seen things have been going this way, right? So I would like to now holding this dollar CAD as a selling trade, and in this dollar CAD, all right, I will be looking out for selling only, all right? So from the trend itself, we are actually now looking out for a selling. So from there, okay, this selling area is something that I would like to know. I would like to find out whether the trend is in the selling or it is on the buying. So we need to take note. Okay, we need to take note. All right. Yes, that's right. Okay. Is it bank holiday in US today? Yes, that's right. Independence Day. Okay, so likely, all right. So but then again, is that it's a holiday in US, but it's not international. So forex market is still going on. Okay, so usually holidays are those very major holidays. Example like New Year, Christmas. Okay, this will really affect the movement. Okay, so usually end of the year. Okay, especially the last week, the third week of this year, of this December onwards, it's my off day. Okay, it's a time for me to take it off. Okay, to disappear for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, and go into some nature area with no Wi-Fi. Okay, just a joke. All right. So okay, so yeah, just take note of that. The holidays. All right. So. So right now, as I can see, okay, from if I'm looking at the trend, there's not much support, okay, along the way, okay, that we can see, which is about which will actually give us quite a good trading experience over here. right? So, but of course, by looking at this, we cannot just enter a trade blindly. Okay, since you are saying no support, I'll just enter a selling, and then you may not be entering at the correct point, which will also gives you a lot of turbulence and a lot of headaches where you may experience roller coaster. Am I right? Okay, so once again over here, as I see, okay, we can see there is something over here that's coming along, right? The selling, and it actually hits onto the resistance up there, right? Over here in this area, correct? So right now it's starting to retrace downwards. When the resistance is met, right? It's not breaking. That means to say the chances of the price going down to look out for support is very highly likely, right? Highly likely. So over at this point here, when we are looking at this, okay, so where will be the support I should be looking at? Should I look at this support? Should I look at this support? I will be very likely looking at the support over here. Okay, why is that so? It's because this is the beginning of the support that pushes a higher low, correct? And as we can see, the trend is moving at higher lows. There are so many higher lows, not many too. All right, so it doesn't mean that it's actually turning or reversing the trend. Well, likely, but then again, we will need to come back and take a look. Will this buying trend be disturbed or disrupted by the sellers and back into the selling to retest the support once again? So whether it is going to break or it's going to support it, we still have around 40 pips to go. Well, since that's the case, okay, if we have about 40 pips to go, then very likely what we are going to look out for is that, all right, will there be a chance that we are going to take note of what we are going to trade, okay, and within this period, okay, will I have a chance to actually go for a selling? Okay, yes. So if we have a chance right now over at this point here to sell, all right, we have about 40 pips to go. So since that's the case, all right, then probably that this may be a good way that we can first of all to condition and to configure our mind that tell ourselves that right now we have about 40 pips of space, all right. Okay, although yes, earlier on I say we have 300 over pips, but we along the way there are some minor support that we should be also paying attention to before we take action, right? So in this case, right now for the first stop, I have 40 pips. I have 40 pips of space, right? So 40 pips of space over here. With this 40 pips of space, okay, look out for the correct entry point before we start to sell, right? So entry points, there are many entry points, there are many triggers that you can enter for a trade. So it depends on how comfortable you are with, all right? So we are going to enter the trades, okay, if there's a chance, okay, basing on my my way to enter a trade, right? My way to read the chart. So yeah, that's one thing to all of you have to understand. Okay, if you have your ways, yes, you may share. All right. Anyway, in this channel, in this community over here, we are not here to challenge anyone, but we are here to share all this trading knowledge with all of you. All right. So I hope this will really greatly help you, so that it will create a very nice community for everybody. Then we will be able to be in this community for long. Okay. So yes. So this is something that we should be holding the correct mindset, okay, before we start trading. All right. So coming down over here, I'm looking out for a cycle like this. Okay. So for the past few hours, we have missed the cycle, a new cycle for selling off. Okay. This is a new cycle that I'm looking out for. So dollar CAD perhaps probably another 2 hours. Maybe they may have another hours for us to sell again. So just pay attention to it. All right. So just make sure that when it comes back over here, okay, because in the H1 hour, I see that we have lower low, lower highs, lower low coming again. So trading market seems like it's going to start. Okay. So over at this part here, the area of value here, you can see the support. Okay, it will eventually become a resistance. Okay, it eventually will become a resistance. So when it become a resistance, then probably from there with a new cycle of selling, yes, and we can enter for a trade, right? Okay, so that's for dollar CAD, guys. Take note of dollar CAD. Yes, all right. Okay, so the euro. What are we going to focus today? All right, let me pin it out. Okay, on the screen. All right, so that we know what are we going to supposed to focus. So if you see anything, all right. If I'm not there, okay, I mean if I'm not there on the chart, yeah, just give me a ping for a reminder. All right. So dollar yen. How about dollar yen? Let's take a look at dollar yen. Right, dollar yen. As earlier on in my previous session, I was saying that I'm waiting for a resistance. Okay, over here. So I'm waiting for it to test on the resistance, which is now is about to test the resistance over here. This part here, the area, this area here. Price is about 135,439. Okay, about that. Sorry, 543. All right, 543. 135,543. So yeah, we are almost there. So just take note if there is any new cycle of selling, then probably I will be taking I'll be taking a trade. Okay. Okay. So once again, yes, once again, that's for dollar yen. So roughly you should know where to take a trade. Yeah, just give me a ping if I'm not there. All right. Okay, so do include me if there's a profitable trade. All right, include me. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so yep. So once again, now let's go for pound dollar. Let's take a look. Well, pound dollar at this point of time, as earlier on, I picked this out because I wanted it to test on the resistance. Okay, that's one thing. The resistance over one here. So we have two over at this point here. So we have one over here, another one here. Okay, so now it's testing on this resistance or the support which become a resistance over at this point here. All right, so we have a trending market, a lower low. So I'm going to take this resistance. Okay, I'm going to take this area as my resistance. So, but again, as I mentioned, we have two resistance levels. So one here, another one was there up here. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note of this. All right. Okay. So pound franc. Okay, let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc, I guess now is still on the way, so it's not there yet. Okay, pound franc still on the way to test the resistance, so it's not there yet. So probably just need to pay a little bit more attention with patience. Okay. All right. Pound CAD. Yes, now pound CAD over here we are in the selling mode, so we are looking out for selling trades to retest the support once again because the support has been tested. The support has been tested and got rejected immediately. So probably there may be a chance of retesting the support once again. So probably from here, for pound CAD, we are looking at about 74 pips. 74 pips, right? So yeah, but this is not the right time yet. So just hang on. All right, so just hang on first because at the moment it's still on the testing. So just hang on. All right. Probably on the next hour, we have another 20 minutes to go. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Right. Sorry. What do you mean by my accent doesn't sound like what I'm going to do? Okay. Hi. Okay. All right. Anyway. Okay. My English is not very good. Okay. My English is I can speak English, but my English is not as fantastic. All right. All right. Fins G. Right. Fins G. Hi. Nice to meet you here. I know where are you from? Pound yen. Okay, you're looking for pound yen for buying. Pound yen as for buying. Are you looking for buying pound yen? Let me know. All right. Pound yen. Tentatively, I'm waiting for it to test on the resistance up here. All right, around this area. Okay, so to be right, it should be around here. Okay, pound yen. So, then where my manners? What do you mean by damn where my manners? Well, it's okay. Hi, Vince. Well, hi. Oh, no worries. Okay, we are. Anyone that came into this channel, we are all nice people, I believe. Okay, so yeah, not to worry. Okay, so pound yen, you're looking for selling or looking for buying? Are you looking for selling or buying pound yen? Tentatively, I'm looking out for buying because at this point of time, I'm waiting for pound yen to reach the resistance area before I sell. So we still have about 60 over pips to go. All right. So tentatively, okay, because I will say that now today it looks like we are going to at the verge of creating a higher support. It may go for a buy, but if the resistance is not breaking, they're still able to hold the price. All right, then I guess it will still continue the selling. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the dollar CAD while waiting for Vince. Okay. All right. So hi, Basat. Do I pronounce your name as Basat? Where are you from? Nice to see you here. Right. So dollar CAD, I guess selling is coming. All right, selling is coming. All right, dollar CAD selling is coming the way. All right, so just be very careful with this. Okay, so I guess this one, all right, dollar CAD, we are going through. We are disturbing all the buyings. Okay, all the buying supports over here. All right, so just take note, guys. But the selling is coming soon over here. Okay, so just hang on. All right, hang on first. We are looking at this level now. Okay, so it looks good, looking good now. Okay, once again, it's looking good. All right, Basa, where are you from? It's nice of you to come here. This is the first time. Well, okay. We are here to discuss, share the views of tradings in Forex currency, and also you can voice out your views. You can ask questions. Okay, we are not here to challenge. We are here to share. All right, so remember that. Okay. Well, okay, I'm a trader who only sell. Okay, so yeah. So as Vince, as for your pound yen, yes, would you like to share with me your pound yen over here? Pound yen, I'm still looking for the resistance over here, right? Basa, you're from India. Oh, I see. Namaste. I hope I'm right. Okay, namaste. Okay. So yes. Okay. So pound yen, I'm still looking for for the pound yen to test on the resistance before I start selling. Okay, I'm still looking for selling in pound yen. Okay. So dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. We have to understand the situation first. All right. Okay. Waiting for confirmation. Pound yen waiting for what confirmation? Waiting for what confirmation? Okay, so dollar CAD over here. All right, dollar CAD is actually one testing on this. All right, we are going to disrupt the buying support, the lower a higher low over here. Okay, dollar CAD waiting for confirmation. Oh, I see. Yes. Okay, just hang on because I see that it's going to come back and retest the resistance over here. So hang on first. Okay, so understand the situation of forex trading is very important. Okay, why is that so? It's because okay, we need to understand current situation. Okay, that like I said earlier on. So for pound CAD, for this dollar CAD over here, it's actually now coming from the bull into the transition, coming for a bear. Okay, so it's just coming into the bear market, correct? Into the bear. So I wanted to sell in the bear, right? So at this point of time, okay, so if I'm going to sell, I want to make sure we have good selling entry, okay, so that when we actually enter for a trade, when they start to sell, okay, it will start to pull us away from our entry so that we have a lot of buffer, okay, to consider whether shall we pull for a longer profits or more profits. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so and at this point here, as we can see, tentatively, right, we are now coming back to disrupt. Okay, we are coming back here to disrupt these buyers over here. All right, so this one is I would say that this one is very important. Okay, so So if it's not breaking through, okay, I guess this will be a good one. Okay, so a good one to enter for a trade. All right, so we are going to narrow down, lower down our time frame, okay, so that we can tell very clearly that this is a support, where this whole wave is the main support over at this point here, that it started to push for a higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Correct, all these higher lows are a sign of buying. Correct, a sign of buying. So at this sign of buying, okay, it seems like the trend of buying is there, but then again now selling comes in to disrupt. Okay, selling comes in to disrupt, so coming to disrupt the buyers, so coming again to disrupt the buyers on the other side. So it seems like now the sellers are very confident. Okay, the way it moves, it seems like they are very confident to continue. Okay, to continue the selling. All right, okay. Okay, so at this time, okay, we are looking at this. Okay, so it's not really that the right time to enter for a trade at this point of time now. Okay, all right. Yes, what is that? The question for Basat? Okay, Basat, is DXY going down, sir? DXY going down. All right. DXY is actually the index, right? For the index. Okay. I don't have this over at my chart here. But then again, is that if you are asking me, all right, if this DXY is actually going down, okay, I would say that tentatively, okay, is not showing yet. Okay, it's not showing anything yet. All right. So the overview here, I would say that it depends a lot on the stock market. Correct, it's depending on the stock market. Probably we have to observe for a little while first. Okay, there's no sign. Okay, there's no sign yet, and there's also no clear signal of it's going down. I see that it's somehow it's hovering there. It's hovering over there. Okay, more like a new high. Yeah, Chong. Okay, so tentatively, I would say, okay, please be very tactful. Okay, careful with trading with this index. Okay, as we can see, S&P 500 is actually already moving into the bear. Correct, seems like it's already moving into the bear. So currently, if it's actually moving into the bear, it may affect a lot of indexes. Okay, and under the listing. So just observe first. Okay, this is don't try to sell from the top. Okay, we are always looking out for new high. Okay, this is a high, we are going to sell. We are going to high, this is a high, you are going to sell. But actually it's escalating a higher one, a higher high. Correct. So what are all these higher highs that actually going? Everybody can see me here, correct? So I have to be very careful with words. Okay, for example, okay, do you believe that whenever you're creating a higher high, it will attract a lot of sellers to sell, correct? But when people sell, it creates another higher high to wipe out all the sellers. So as you can see, there are people who actually say that, the crisis is already coming. So a lot of leaders has already know, and they are actually scalping the money from the market, so that they can hedge, so that they can cushion themselves. Okay, so it may not be true by this saying. Okay, guys, take note of dollar CAD while I'm sharing about this DXY. Okay, so please take note. Okay, please take note of dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD looks like it's a good chance for selling. All right, so come back here for DXY. I think it's still the bear of the S&P 500 is showing the bear. Correct. So is it still going down? But you can see there's a lot of in social media. There are a lot of people advertising. Oh, you come join me for this stock and that option, this index course that I know how to teach you how to buy. It's now rocket high. It's a good chance. But for all you know, okay, the more you see this, okay, personally for myself, okay, personally, the more I see this kind of advertisements, okay, the more I'm going to stay away, right? The more I'm going to stay away, okay. So let's say, okay, if I'm a broker working under a brokerage firm, okay, right? So how to increase my sales? How to increase the deposit, correct, for myself, so that I can survive and cushion myself during the crisis, okay. So what I will do is I will start to I'm going to start to spot the selling price up there. So I'm going to attract a lot of buyers, a lot of buyers to come in, to hit on that price. When they start to hit on that price, all my premier, all my high net worth clients, all will start to sell from that price. You get what I mean? Okay, so we are there to wipe out a lot of buyers. So as all these things is coming out, surfacing, all right. So like a last cycle, okay, when in the 2009, 2010, okay, I think if you look back the history, I think probably I'm looking at the same strategy. I'm looking at the same scenario is actually surfacing. So for me, tentatively, I avoid entering any indexes or any stocks right now. Okay. In fact, I am actually starting to realize some profits. Okay, from my stock market. Okay, I'm starting to selling off bit by bit. Okay, I'm starting to selling off bit by bit. Okay, I'm not buying in, but I'm selling off. Okay, so yeah, once again, all right. So that depends individual on individual how you're going to take note, okay, about all this, right? Daily, I'm on my currency trading to make profit from here. As a full-time trader, I need this as my living expenses. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's that, and I hope just now what I've quoted will help you, right? So yeah, just take note first. Okay, DXY, I'm still holding on. Okay, I'm still holding on my cash for that. Okay, all right. So yep. Once again, for people who just came in, who just know me, right? I will take constant break because I don't have a very strong vocal after so many years of torturing. Okay, giving talks, okay, seminars, and now because of COVID, I have webinars and live streaming, all these, right? Okay, so yep, so just bear with me. I will take a short break, like 5-10 minutes. Okay, yep, okay. All right, so okay, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, hi Rao DC. Okay, Rao DC. Okay, where are you from? Someone new here? Okay, okay. So over at this point here, as we can see, dollar CAD is still struggling, very struggling at this level. Am I right? It seems like it's going to break through. It's going to buy, but it's still not breaking through. And this kind of movement, okay, usually is giving us a signal that the resistance is actually quite strong there. Okay, so will there be a chance that it's going to buy? Will there be a chance that it's going for selling? Okay, so ultimately we are still waiting for the chance to come. All right. So usually, okay, like we see over at this point, let me zoom in and take a look. The candles movement over here, you can see there's a rejections here, correct? Some rejections here. So the rejections over here, okay, the rejections over here, and then over at this part here, now we are coming for a selling. All right, pricing are moving below the previous candle, right? So I want to see engulfing candle, right? Engulfing candle. Okay, so this engulfing candle should be very important for me, so that I want to make sure that this is engulfing in price is strong enough to go down before I enter for a trade. Okay, all right, okay. So hi Paul Kang, correct? How long are these trades going to stay on for? How long are these trades going to stay on for? What do you mean? What trades? What are you referring to? Sorry, I don't really get you. Okay, elaborate more so that I can understand. Okay, Paul Kang, where are you from? I guess by looking at this, I don't know. Okay, well, dollar cat. All right. Okay, dollar cat. Okay, I think it's quite a good one. Okay, we can focus. All right, dollar cat over here. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, there, almost there. A little bit more. All right. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, so okay, thank you for answering the questions. Did I answer your question? I'm not sure yet. Okay. The sell recommendation on the bottom of the screen. When do you plan to take profit? I am from Canada. Oh, you're from Canada. Okay. Yeah. All right. Nice place. All right. How long? Okay. All the you can see. Can you see over at this point here? You're referring to this, right? Okay. All this that I actually showed below the screen are the currencies that I'm going to sell. Okay, I'm going to sell for today. Okay, I'm going to sell for today. So, like example, dollar CAD. All right. For example, dollar CAD. For example, my trade stay on for 3 to 5 days. Okay. It depends on individual. Okay, so if there's a good chance, like dollar CAD example, like now. Okay. So I'll be looking out for things like example, the number of pips first, 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips. So if it hits my 40 pips today, okay, I will be closing my trades. Okay, usually I will be settling my trade in a day. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So yes. Okay. So I think a dollar CAD is quite good. Okay. Quite good for dollar CAD. Okay. So I think that's a kind of good one. Okay. Dollar CAD. So many people know that I'm actually a 5 pips trader. Okay. A 5 pips trader, right? Okay, so yep. So very likely I'm going to grab my 5. Okay, I'm going to grab my 5 pips for dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD at this point of time, okay, at this point of time is actually quite struggling in this resistance level, correct? Okay, so dollar CAD, I think quite good. Okay. I'll be looking out for a selling for dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, everyone, you can pay attention to that. All right, Aiden, yeah, entered for dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD, I guess we still have about from here. Okay, the struggling is because of this. Then over at this point here, we tentatively, by looking at this, we have about 19 pips first. Then after that should be going down. Okay, for this about the 19 pips, we will meet up with one minus support here. Then after that, it will start to clear off to go and for about 40 pips. Okay, this 40 pips. Okay, 40. Okay, 40. All right. Okay, so again, okay, and like I think this is something that I should be looking out for. Dollar CAD still good for selling. Another one that's good for selling. Tentatively, okay, I'm focusing a lot on dollar CAD because I've been watching dollar CAD from about 2 weeks ago, which I see there's an opportunity. Okay, 2 weeks ago it started to swing up. Okay, and now I'm looking at some opportunity over here. All right. Okay. So yes, I'm looking for selling, Vince. Yes. Okay, I'm looking out for selling. Yeah. Okay, so because I see that right now when I look at this, okay, we are actually the buying the higher lows here, but it has been disrupted. Okay, it has been disturbed by the sellers, and the sellers are coming in the trend. Okay, correct. We have a low over here. We can see we have a lower low over here, and another lower low at this point here from this wave. Okay, I'm looking at this. There's a sign of selling here, and over my side here, I'm actually trading like this a GPS system. Okay, I zoom down from the satellite down right down to a point. Okay, right. So I'm lower down my time frame each time to check what is the current situation now. Okay, so current situation, like I say over here, if we shrink down, this is actually swinging down, swinging down, swinging down. All right. So at this point, okay, at this point, it swing back again to retest the resistance, but the resistance has been holding quite well. All right, but of course, please take note about this over at this level. Okay, we have in M5 over here, as I can see, right. At this point here, we have a very minor support. Okay, a very minor support, but I always take the minor support as a very important factor. Okay, because you know the chart actually built. The charts built from a very small time frame like M1 or M5 all the way to M15 and starting off to 30, then to implicates into H1. Am I right? Okay, so this part here is also something that we have to pay attention to. If this resistance is going to break this support, I will say okay, that's pretty good. So the trending is still going on. So then the selling is very promising. Okay, the selling is very promising over here. Okay, all right. So okay, so over at this point here, be looking at this since if this is going to break the support over here, that means the trending is still highly possible, and selling off for this trade is still very promising. Then we can look at the higher time frame to look at the overview of the trend. Is it still going for a trending market, going down for selling? Then I think that will be still okay. All right, still okay to go for selling. Then we go. All right. So the overview, and now as we can see, all right, the H1 has just opened. Okay, we're just go into the next hour. So in the next hour over here at this point, we are also looking out for resistance. Okay, there's some resistance over at this point here, still this level, and you can see the price is still struggling. Okay, for so long. Okay, half an hour ago, right? For half an hour ago, we have been on dollar cap for half an hour. Am I right? Or probably for the start of this live streaming. Okay, that it actually came down from here, 1, 2, 3, from here until here. We have about 30 candles. Okay, so we have been over here looking at this and still struggling over at this area. It seems like the resistance is quite strong holding on to this. Okay, and but it's also telling me something over there, that if this resistance is strong enough to hold the price for not breaking above, but how come it's not breaking down? How come it's not breaking down? Correct. So it's also show that the resistance is strong enough to hold the support here, but it may be weak. It's still weak to break the support or even test the support. Okay, so probably it may give us a hint that for this trade to break the support, number one, it can be longer. Okay, the time taken may be longer. Secondly, okay, what we are going to experience is that the resistance, the strength of the resistance, the sellers may only have enough to test the support. Correct. So that's why it's been struggling here. So that's why if you already entered a trade like this, okay, in this area, okay, so just take note of the support over here, which stands at about the price of 128.6016. Okay, 128.6016. So this is something important as well. Okay, so yeah, so when you are reading this chart, okay, and this part here, this little minor part here, okay, it it is not as as like this. It swing up and it swing down, swing up and it swing down. So this is a little bit of struggling here. So we just need to be very careful. It seems like the movement, the price movement, is actually giving us some hint, that what is it going to be like? Okay, all right, okay. So yeah, so this is something that we need to pay attention to. Just take note. Okay, just take note, because as like I say over here, you see the support here. Now it seems like it's building up a higher support. Correct? It seems like it's building up a higher support here. Am I right? Okay, from this support, another higher support, a higher low, a very small higher low, in a very small time frame. Okay, so yeah, there's a bit of struggling here. So just take note. Okay, just take note. All right. Okay, so yes. Okay, guys. Yep. So now is my break time. Okay, so give me a 5 minutes. Okay, I will be back. Okay, I will be back in about 5 minutes time. All right. So let me go and refill my drinks. Okay, so that my vocal can continue. Thank you for your understanding. All right, guys. See you in a short while. All right. Okay, quickly. I'll be back quickly. All right. Thank you so much. Hello guys, I'm back. Okay guys, I'm back here with you. All right, thank you for waiting, thank you for your patience. All right, so we're talking about, wow, okay, there's some conversation here. Euro yen, am I right? Euro yen, okay, Euro yen. All right, let me take a look at Euro yen. Euro yen over here. Okay, well, Euro yen. Okay, so we have tested and rejected. Okay, and now a new cycle of selling. Okay, new cycle of selling. But over here, let's take a look at the support here. Is very near. We have about 24 pips to go. Okay, so currently, okay, well, from the rejections here and now coming back here. All right. Okay, so tentatively, by looking at this right now, we can see that the buying is very strong. Am I right? Okay, the buying is very strong, having a lower highs, then now lower highs over here, pushing up, and now coming back to retest. Okay, the resistance again. So for Euro Yen, tentatively, okay, Bradley is scalp for 10 only, huh? Okay, you are looking for 10. Okay, so for this, right now, it will be looking at the retesting on the resistance over at this part here currently. Okay, so if you have already entered, I don't know where to enter. Okay, so I will be looking at this. Looking at this, will be testing on this part here for a resistance over at this part to create a new lower high. Then I think that will be a good. I think that will be a better entry point there, as if you have not entered. Okay, right. Okay, so yep. Okay, so at this point here, right? At this point here, the level. Okay, here. Okay, just take note. All right, just take note about the level over at this point here. Okay, so let me pull this down a little bit so that probably later we can come back and take a look. Okay. All right. So yes, that's for Euro Yen. Okay, tentatively. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Okay. Yes, dollar CAD. You can see it's still very struggling. Correct? It's still very struggling at this point here. Yep. Yes. If you actually can see that the struggling is there, then I guess probably it still needs some time. Okay, still needs some time to actually break the support level before we can actually go further down. Okay. All right. And yes, CK 可以分析 dollar yen 吗? Okay, right. Dollar yen. Okay, let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen over here. Okay. Okay, dollar yen. I go with English first. Okay, since we have a Chinese here. Okay. So dollar yen, right now we are testing on the resistance. Okay, we are testing on the resistance now. Now testing on the resistance. So H4 is testing on the resistance. So you have to be careful if we are actually approaching the next H4 opening. Okay. So right now, as we can see for the last 4 hours, it's actually quite strong. The buying is also quite strong. But it seems that from the start of the buying here, it hits on the resistance. It started to get a little bit weak rejection. There's a little bit of rejection over here. So tentatively, by looking at this, seems like the resistance is there. So come back into this H1 over here. If we can see, okay, we can see H1 over here right now. Okay, it's actually forming up a new selling cycle. All right. So yeah, you can take note of this new selling cycle is coming. Dollar yen good. Okay, dollar yen looks good. Dollar yen, right? Dollar yen looks good, guys. Dollar yen, okay. Dollar yen looks good over here. Okay, all right. So probably you can also take note about this. Okay, all right. Yeah, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, I will be looking at this for dollar yen. We have about 18 or 40. Okay, dollar yen 40. All right, dollar yen 40. Okay, dollar yen looks good. Right, dollar yen, dollar yen, dollar yen, dollar yen, dollar yen, dollar yen. Yep, I'm looking at dollar yen. Okay. Do let me know if you have entered a trade. Okay, dollar yen. If you enter a trade, do let me know. Okay. Right. I guess dollar yen is not bad. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Okay, just 2 minutes to go to make sure you have engulfing candle. All right. All right. All right. Entered already. All right. So dollar yen looks good. Okay. Dollar yen looks good. Yes, dollar cat. Dollar cat is still very struggling. Okay. Yep. Okay. Dollar yen CK. I'm sorry, I have forgotten about the Chinese. Okay, give me just a while. 好了，这个美日的话 ，OK， 美日可以啊，美日不错，美日不错。OK， 美日是不错的。OK， 还有这样一看的话呢，现在目前这个美日的话呢，有这个机会啊，有这个机会，而且这个空间蛮大的，空间差不多有将近要有40个点啊，40个点 ，OK， 都是蛮不错的。因为看着这个4小时来看的话呢，现在这个全体的力度呢，一到了这个压力位的时候，就有一些反击，这样的话呢就很棒啊，这个 OK 看起来不错。但是这个因为我们的4小时呢，我们已经进入这个时段啊，它有多30分钟这样吧，35分钟，4小时就要开一个新的蜡烛，所以呢要笃定这个会不会再下来的话呢？其实下一个小时也是比较关键的 ，OK， 也比较关键。现在目前这样看的话呢，现在的这个绿色蜡烛呢，其实它的这个就算的是现在比较算是一个还蛮多做多的交易量在里面啊。OK，so 现在这个。这个位置啊，算是不错的一个 V 字啊 ，OK， 好，这个可以 ，OK， 注意一下哈，这个只要它稍微回调在这一段没有超过紫色线以上的话呢，往下跌的机会是很高的 ，OK，All right。Okay, so yes, that's engulfing. Paul, which currency are you referring to? Dollar yen? Are you referring to dollar yen? Dollar yen. Wait for new H4 open. Dollar yen wait for H4 open. Wait for new H4 to open. I think for this one, you don't really need to. Okay. Yes, engulfing if you're talking about this. Okay. Or if you're talking about this, is this engulfing? All right. Yes, this is okay. Right. Okay, so looks good for dollar yen. Okay. Yes. Okay, so dollar yen. Yep. So looks good. Dollar yen. Yes, dollar yen. Yep. Okay. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Yes. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Hubert. Yes. What is that? Okay. Dollar yen. What is that? Dollar yen. Okay. Okay, dollar yen, I think quite good actually, but may move a bit slow. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes, Aiden, TP. Okay, congratulations. Which one? Okay, I'm not sure which one are you talking about. Okay. Right. So dollar yen. Right now I would say that probably a bit slow. Okay. So just take note. We have about from here. I would say that 10 pips right now. shouldn't be a problem. Okay, but in the whole, as a whole, as I can see right now, if the next hour, okay, if the next hour to have a complete green, red, and red candle, engulfing red candle over here, I will say that a very high chance that we are going for a 40. Okay, we are going for a 40. All right. Okay. So yep. Okay. Right. So I will say that this probably may be something that dollar yen is something good that we can take a look at. Okay. Right, Euro Yen. Let's come back to Euro Yen. I will screen through what is the nearest one that we have talked about. Euro Yen. Okay, so here and the resistance here and here. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for. But if this is actually coming back here, probably we will have about 12. Okay, so take note. Okay, if candle can open below, okay, my purple line system over here, there's probably, okay, we will go for another 20. I guess it's another 20. Right, let's see, is it 20? Yeah, about 20. Okay, about 20. Right, so another 20. Okay, another 20 is highly possible. Okay. Right, so after Euro Yen, let's take a look. Just now earlier on, somebody say Pound Yen, right? Okay, Pound Yen. Pound Yen still not reaching my resistance. Although there's one resistance over here. No, I'm still waiting. Okay. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Right now, looks like dollar CAD is we can see sellers are selling lower to test the support. Sellers are selling below to test the support. Sellers are starting to sell at the lower price, at the lower price, at the lower price to test the support. So this is quite a good sign. Okay, this is quite a good sign. So I guess this is going to break very soon. Okay, all right. So I guess this is good. Also, dollar CAD. Okay, right. Okay, so yep. Then next, where are we heading? Okay. Okay, so dollar yen. Let's take a look. Dollar yen. Right, dollar yen. Yeah, it's still very good. Dollar yen. Dollar yen is still very good. Okay, dollar yen. Now have this. Have this. Okay. So right now. Okay, so sellers we can see that sellers are trying to disturb the buying, correct? Sellers are trying to disturb the buying. Okay, I think we have talked about this trading pattern for many times, all right? So if we can see from the starting of this days here, okay, so we are moving up for higher support here, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, am I right? So pushing up for higher lows, another higher lows coming again, correct? So after the higher lows, it's tested on the resistance. The resistance reacted and starting to push down. Okay, and now buyers are still fighting on, but sellers are still pushing down. It's the buying trend is still being disturbed right now. It's still being disturbed. So the disruption is still there. Okay, I guess it's still pretty good. Okay, all right. So I think this is something that this dollar yen is something that is quite good, but then again is that we need to have more patience for this dollar yen. Okay, we need to have patience for this dollar yen, right? Okay, and right now, okay, for this, okay, dollar yen, we may be experiencing some pullbacks. Okay, the pullbacks over here, as you can see, now we have a very small lower resistance. Okay, not very consistent yet, but it's showing the selling is the sellers are actually disturbing the buyers. So I think quite good. Okay, quite good. All right. So yeah. So I think this is something that still on the way for dollar yen. Right, dollar yen is still on the way. So pretty good. Okay. Okay. Yep. We need to have patience for dollar yen. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Dollar yen is quite good. Yes. 14 pips. 14. You have 9, so that means you have it should be around here. Okay, I guess so. I guess somewhere there. Okay. Okay, for those who have entered for dollar yen, okay, as for those who have entered dollar yen, I will be preparing you for tentatively until now. From now is about another 20 pips. Okay, from now another 20 pips to go. Okay, dollar yen, another 20 pips to go. All right, so I guess this is quite good. Okay, EJTP Bradley. Oh, congratulations. Well done. Okay, congratulations. I think that's good. Okay, so yep. And now, okay, so euro yen. Oh, Fab also TP. Okay, that's good. 恭喜你. Congratulations. Okay, so for euro yen, let's take a look. All right, euro yen, we have one. Okay, over here, as you can see, this is a moving support here, which is pointing to the support at this level. Although it's a very minor one, so probably it's maybe creating another lower highs, then we'll continue the selling. All right. Okay, euro yen. Okay. Okay. Right. Good morning, Friends United. Hi. I hope GJ price action works today with no manipulation. GJ looks good also. Looks good, but I am still, but for GJ, I will be still looking out for this level. Okay, this level for the resistance to be tested first, because over here, as we can see, the support level is actually quite near. Right, we can see the support level actually quite near over here. So we can see that this support. So since from the price to the support, we have about 50. Okay, so we have about 50. So if there's a chance, it can retrace upwards. Okay, for higher resistance. Okay, and I can pull out for more space. Okay, for more space. I think that will be even better. Okay, but of course, here if there's a chance that you are going to take a trade, just take note of the support over here and also the support on this level, which is about 20 pips, that it may create a higher low, where it may create a higher low. All right, so just be careful. Okay, right. So, but we still have about 20 pips. Okay, have you entered for trade Trans United? Okay. Same that resistance 61.8 on Fibo on the H1 time frame. EJ H1 time frame. Okay, so not yet, huh? Okay, so let's say you're looking at this. Well, I think I'm not sure if mine is doing the same as yours. Okay, but over here, okay, I guess should be waiting for. Are you waiting for selling or waiting for buying? Euro yen is still trying to test on the support level. Okay, as we can see, the previous 5 minutes we got the rejections here, correct? Okay, selling. I see, selling. Okay. Okay, so before I talk about pound yen, okay, well, let's move into dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD over here right now, it's not very fantastic already. Okay, as we can see, if you are going to take a look at this, something like this over here, supposed to be a lower low, but now it has become a double bottom at the bottom right now. So retesting this resistance, which is not very ideal, seems like it's going to take a right first. Okay, before it's actually starting to sell. So dollar CAD over at this point, right, is tentatively not very good. Okay, it's not very good now. Okay. I thought it will go back and retest, and then I will want to, take take action. Euro yen, okay, wonderful. Euro yen, let's take a look. Okay, you're taking your profit. Okay, that's good, Hubert. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. We are still fighting on. Okay, dollar yen looks still looking good, but perhaps we're waiting for the next hour. I think that will be better. Okay, I think it will be so much better. Okay, dollar CAD is still struggling at this side here. Well, okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Yes, that's right. So in this case, okay, over at this point here, seems like the support, okay, previous support was here. I have in my system, I have a blue arrow here. Correct, it has been shifted here. So tentatively, by looking at this, the price here, you can see a double bottom here. So currently, it is not that fantastic. Okay, it is not that fantastic now. Okay, not that fantastic. Okay, yep. The yen is falling. Yep. Okay, so tentatively, okay, good. Dollar yen still looks good. Okay, so let me check out with this euro yen. Well, good. Also good. Yes. Okay. I'm not sure how many pips you guys are taking. All right, up to individual. Okay, so manage it yourself. All right, so make sure you got a profit before anything happens. Okay, pound yen, of course, pound yen over here, coming back here. Pound yen, okay, just take note. Okay, just take note. Pound yen, we have an area over here that need to be considered. Okay, this is important here. Okay, right. Dollar CAD at this point. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, so it's now seems like it's trying to break through the resistance over here. Okay, it's trying to break through the resistance over here. So if there's another retesting the resistance as a support to buy, then dollar CAD, we can forget about it. Okay, we can forget about this. Okay, for the moment. Okay, then we can wait for the next hour to come in. Then we will see how this actually reacts. Okay, all right. Yep, correct. Okay, so dollar CAD, just hang on. Okay, just hang on first. Okay. Yep. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Will there be a chance that no? Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm saying. Okay, Flora. Okay, if dollar CAD come back to retest this resistance as a support and starting to have a buying signal, then I think that's no good. Okay, that's definitely for a buy. Okay, trading short term is mental. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yep, just take note. Okay. And right now, okay, I think pound yen will also reverse on daily time frame. Yen getting strong. Pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen. Yeah, I guess now looking at this, well, probably, but just take note, okay, for pound yen, because this is one that we need to take into consideration, this level. Okay, so if this level has been tested and break below, okay, tested and break below, retest it again, yes, then that will actually give me a good sign that I will want to go for a trade. Okay. Okay, so yep. Okay. That's the okay, dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. Another 2 minutes. Yeah, I think just wait for another 2 minutes. I think as for now, as we can see, right, this is one that if I'm going to look at this for dollar cat, okay, the swing over from here right down to here. Okay, so we have meet up with another about 27 pips, and now 27. Now probably it doesn't look good. I mean, anyway, from here it already doesn't look good to me. Okay, so if there's one confirmation to retest the support here, and yeah, then it will create a higher low, a higher support. Okay, right? Yeah, so just hang on with this first. Euro yen, very good, still going. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen, well, still maintaining good. Okay. Yes, exactly, precisely. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys who are still by the sideline here, okay, do join us by subscribing into my YouTube channel. We are here to share. Okay, we are here to take a trade together. You can voice out your views. We are not here to challenge, but to share. All right. So yes, so everyone will benefit from here. Okay. Just voice out if you are looking at any charts. What are the views that you have? Do let us know. Okay. All right. So yes, Hubert. Okay. So I'm waiting for dollar cat. You're waiting for dollar cat. Let's see dollar cat. Okay. What are you waiting? Dollar cat. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for dollar cat to break the support with a new resistance. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. The support should be the support you're talking should be here. Okay. Or you're talking about this. Okay. Currently, okay, we should view this as a support. Okay, we should view this as a support. Okay, so after the retesting, if it's not breaking, then highly likely dollar cat we can forget about it. Okay. We can forget about dollar cat. Yep. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Pound yen for trends. Okay, so yeah, now moving lower and lower each time now to meet up with the support down there. So pound yen over here, we still have about 16 pips to go. Right, but we have one over here has been tested already. Okay, have been tested already, so just take note. Okay, this area of support, it has actually tested the area, coming in very near, very soon. Okay. Dollar cat is testing the dollar cat. Ah, yes, this is what I meant. Okay, previous resistance, it may become a support over here in this area. So if the price is testing and it's not breaking down, instead it become a red and green candle for a buy, then we can forget about this. Okay, we can forget about this dollar cat. All right. Okay, so just take note. Will this clear the gains and break the support? Anything can happen. Okay, but now if you're asking me, I would say that it's not clear enough for me, right? So, sorry. Tentatively, it is clear that we are now trying to break the support. Okay, we are now trying to break the support. For this instance over here, the erasing of the gains is very clear. All right. Yes, it is very clear. Yep. Yeah, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen tested the support, the moving support over here, my purple line over here. Okay, so for people who are using okay, you can use a MA also. You can use MA 200. Okay, maybe 200. I think that is also able to tell you. Okay. Right. So, but then again, is that for dollar yen, I'm still looking at this hour is still looking good. It's still looking good. Okay, still looking good. Okay, next hour, I guess I may have a better one. Okay, next hour may have a better one. Right. CK 你有进场吗 ？CK OK CK 你有进场吗 ？Dollar yen. Right. CK did you dollar yen? Okay. Anyone? Okay. Right. So hang on. Okay. Dollar cat. Okay. Dollar cat over here. It also seems like not bad. Coming back, but the next candle, I think probably we'll try to break the support over at this point here. As we can see right now, it is still moving quite healthily. The rejection is still quite strong over there. Okay, the rejection is still quite strong, right? Okay. The resistance has already up here. The resistance, dollar cat resistance. Yes, has already been there and already start to sell for the last few hours. Yes, that's right. Okay. Well, we have another 10 minutes to go before the H4 opening. That actually current H4 is still looking good. That showing that it has raised the past 8 hours gains from the opening of the market today. So looks like we are heading down for dollar cat, which is good. Dollar cat, and let's take a look at it. Dollar cat looks good. Okay, dollar cat looks good. Can we enter right now for dollar cat? Dollar cat, I would say that tentatively it is looking good. Honestly, it is looking good. Okay, but we have a support over here, right here. I would prefer to break this support first, then retest the support. Okay, then I will consider entry. Okay, yeah, okay. If you want to enter, you have already entered long ago. Okay, you should have entered long ago. Okay, right. Yo, cowboy, what pair you looking at? Hello, cowboy. Okay, so actually right now, okay, we are actually looking at the. For me, I'm looking at dollar cat. Okay, and also this I'm also looking for dollar cat to break the support first. Okay, to wait for the support first. Then I will consider for a selling. Okay, because this is quite struggling. This fight is quite struggling. So at this point, this is not really very, very promising yet. Okay, it's still very struggling and actually forming a double bottom at this point. You see, support is still testing on that. Okay. That's our cowboy here, Vendor. Yes, I know. Everybody's calling Bradley as a cowboy now. Yeah, so, yeah. Yes. I see that now this is something that for dollar cat over here, even is coming in to erase the gains, but the support is still there, and that's why this is something that I'm still waiting, you know. Yeah, I guess this is something that break the support first. Let me see. Let's break the support first. Okay, break the support. Okay, the support over here. Then retest. Then we go in for. I think there will be a better trade there, right? This area. Okay, this area, break it first, then we will have a better chance for another safe 18 pips to hit another 40. Okay, to hit for 40. 40. Yes, 40 from here. Okay, estimated here to the support around here about 40. Okay, about 40 here. So yeah, just work with that. Just work around the support there. Okay. Yeah, I'm very struggling. He's so struggling. Yes. Okay, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, seems like pound yen got a little bit of rejections already. Okay. Dollar yen. Well, still respecting the support here. Okay. Euro yen. I guess most of you have taken the profit for euro yen already, right? Okay, so yep. So allow it to test on the resistance first. Okay, then we'll decide. Okay, and pound. Okay, dollar CAD. Let's take a look. Dollar CAD. Yeah, dollar CAD is still very struggling over here at this point. Not very supportive, I would say. Okay. Yes, if you see break, when you take it after it breaks, okay, after it breaks with a new retesting or a new resistance below, yes, that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for, because after that it should have about first round of about 20, then second round another 20, that total up of 40 pips of potential profit. Okay, a potential profit. So let's say over here it breaks, okay, and after it retests somewhere here, okay, the first over, as I can see here, okay, that's about another 16. Then this is the first round, a total of 40 is highly possible. Okay, highly possible. Yeah, we'll stick to M5 or H1. No, I will stick to M5. I will stick to M5. Okay. Yes, I'll stick to M5. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And I guess this is something. Check. Okay, M5. See, M5 when it comes near to the support, there's that support is actually a double bottom, as you can see. All right, and once again for this, it's actually swing down, and the double bottom has surfaced, and you can see it seems like a landing again. So yeah, all right. So I think this is something that probably we have to pay attention to. Okay, because if this is not going to be a double bottom, at least I think I will still go for it. But the trending is not really there, and it just stop. It just stop, and coming for landing to become a double bottom as a support here. This is not really very supportive according to my trading, but then yeah, usually I will try to wait for it to break it. Then after that, after breaking it, then I will start to wait for a retesting or a new resistance below, then I will start to sell. Okay, right? Okay, so yeah, okay, so dollar CAD is very near yet very far. Okay, our cowboy is going to shoot soon for UC. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. All right, he has many capital than us. Good to be like Bradley. Okay. Yeah, Bradley, our cowboy. Okay. Well, oh, Hubert was talking about dollar CAD. Yeah, this is what I meant. This is what I'm going to say, that if it's going to retest, if it's going to retest dollar yen, dollar CAD, dollar CAD, okay. Dollar CAD, if this is going to retest the previous resistance once again, if it's not breaking, that is also a good chance for us to enter. I would say that if this is going to retest, okay, it's going to retest this area, and it's not breaking. But the thing is that the support here is still very strong. You see, so probably it's only a ranging around. It's going to range around this area here. Oh yeah, like Trans United was saying, because of US holiday, you see ranging. Yeah. See? So it may very likely is going to range around this area. Okay, so I'm hoping that it can break the support here, then retest, then I will go for a sell. Alternatively, okay, give it a shot. Why not? Just quickly, okay, okay, go for the breaking of this. Okay, after it breaks this and it just go straight and break out. Okay, simply just go break it and test on the next resistance. Then perhaps we have a greater space, you know, probably another 20, or test on the resistance here. Probably we have another 30. Better still. For the very least, I mean, to me, I think for the very least, give us a direction. Don't keep us ranging down here. Am I right? Okay. So yeah, do it or die. All right. Yes, do it or die. Okay. Okay. H4 has opened. So I guess dollar CAD is right now dollar CAD. I guess for the past 4 hours, this candle has been showing this. I think it's still very good for selling. Selling is still highly possible over here. Okay. So I guess this is still good, but just wait for a good time to test. All right. Someone told me when DXY on holiday, manipulation happens. That's why I don't trade the dollar pairs today. All right. Okay. Sure. Yeah. I guess I do agree, because I heard of I don't say I heard, okay, but yes, okay. Manipulation, I'm live streaming here, okay, so yeah, so sometimes I have to be very careful with my words. Ha ha ha. All right, so yes, since now, okay, dollar CAD is actually still hovering here. As you can see, it's just like an airplane landing. You can see from this way. If you shrink down the chart, you can see it's actually having a landing over here. So you know, aha, you got it. Good, high five. All right, so yeah, so for dollar CAD, yes, no matter what, I will still want it to break the support. Okay, before I take any action. Dollar yen, once again, dollar yen. Yes, dollar yen. So dollar yen is not breaking the support here. So hang on to wait for another resistance. Okay, wait for another resistance. Yeah. Okay, so euro yen. Yes, euro yen. Now we are coming back to retest the resistance. Okay, we are going to retest the resistance very soon. So now, okay, let's take a look. As we can see, the resistance level over here. So euro yen, we had taken one round, so now it has coming back for the retracement now. Bring back here. Okay, so you're looking good to sell, but just need to wait for the correct time to sell. Okay, not now. One round has over, so not now anymore. Okay, so over here, pound yen, trends united. Come on, bro. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so just now it retests this area, as you can see, the previous resistance as a support, correct? So this area may be the area that may create a higher low. It may create a higher low. So now it's on the way. So not sure yet. Okay, so but if you are looking at the previous candle over here, it has tested and got rejected. Now it seems like a hammer over here, right? So at this point here, just be very careful if you are going to sell. I'm not going to sell pound yen. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to test on the resistance over here. Okay, so just hang on with this, right? So I believe no action at this moment now. Okay, euro yen, that I talk about it. Pound cat, struggling, very struggling here. This resistance area, but looks good to sell probably in the next 1 hour. Okay, so just be very careful because by looking at this is a hammer over at this last 4 hours closing. So just be very careful that when you are coming for selling for pound cat, okay, it probably need to, well, it needs a lot of confirmation before we can go on, huh? Okay, right. I think cat are doing something. The Canadian dollar banks are doing something. Okay. Well, I think they are not going to attack on the dollar for now. Okay, might be attacking somebody else. Okay, pound cat. Okay, pound cat. Do take note, pound cat. Okay, so pound cat is something that worth watching. Okay, pound cat worth watching. Okay. Let's see, pound cat. 1, 2, 4, 4, 60, 20, 4, 48. No, pound cat, I think no. Okay, pound cat, hang on. Pound cat. Okay, not now. Dollar cat is coming. Where? Dollar cat. I don't think so. Okay. How do you pronounce that? Sabrina. I think dollar cat over here, please be careful. All right. Okay, watch out for the support here. Okay, you have only about 2 pips away. Okay, so since there are only 2 pips, no harm that 2 pips, then just wait. Okay. All right. Please, GJ, don't do crazy today. I entered short SL 164.31.9. 164.31.9. 31.9, which is here. Why Trans United if you set your SL at the resistance level? Am I right? This level, it looks like a resistance level. Oh yeah. Yeah, just a small one, huh? Okay. 1, 2. But this Yes, overall is still short, still selling. Okay, yes, I do agree with you. Okay, but you know, when it's still selling, but today it looks like it's still having a higher support over here, and the buyers, you get what I mean. The buyers are still not being disturbed. Okay, there's no seller coming in to disturb the buyers. So I wouldn't see that tentatively. Okay, I'm just being cowboy now like Bradley. Okay, I think that's a good one. All right. Okay. Yes. If you are placing your SL on the resistance level, this level 161, 164.31, it's not. I will enter a selling at this level, not a SL at this level. I'm sorry to say that. Sorry. I don't mean to discourage you. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to discourage you. But for me personally, okay, I will enter. If I were to enter a selling trade, I will enter at this 160, 164.31. Yeah, about 164.31. Okay, all right. Okay. Yeah, hope you don't mind. Okay, that's my personal 2 cents count. Okay. All right. I entered too early. Okay, but yes, generally it's still selling. Generally it's still selling. Okay. However, today it's a retracement day, so yeah, probably have to pay attention to that. Okay. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Oh yeah, it's still very struggling. Yes, it's still very struggling there. I know. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Just pay attention. All right. Do you mind if give me a short break again? All right, for my last break. Okay. I think I drank. I think I drank too much water. I need to go for a break. Okay. So give me a short break. All right. Thank you, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. See you. See you. See you. Hello, cowboy. Yes, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for excusing myself. Okay, right. So yes, once again, guys. All right. So come back here. Okay. Yes, right now. Okay. Ah, toilet is too far away. Okay. Yes, right now let's get back here. Well, today looks like not a lot of action, correct? Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar first. Okay, pound dollar is now testing on the resistance, not breaking, which is good. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Wow, looks good. Okay, pound dollar looks good. Okay, now coming again. Wow, pound dollar, we have such a big space to go. Okay, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, I guess over at this point right now, we are having a higher support now. Seems like seller is going to disturb. Okay. So yes, just hang on a little bit. Okay. Wait. Pound dollar, wait. Pound dollar, I guess the second half of the day probably will be a good one. Okay. Next hour, yes. Okay. Yep. Pound dollar. As for pound dollar right now, okay, seems like a good one to go. Okay, just hang on to retest. I think the pound dollar is going to retest. Okay, to build a lower resistance, a lower highs over in this area. Okay, so see that one from here, the bull retest. Okay, so tested here, we are left with about 12. Not a lot of space. I think this is for Bradley. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is something. Okay, but then Bradley. Well, okay, so for pound dollar over at this point here. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar at this point here. We are coming down for after retesting the resistance. Okay, the head and shoulder breakthrough and retest again. Now we are in the trending market. Now we are still in the trending market at the moment. Pound dollar looks so much potential right now. Okay, pound dollar looks good. Okay, but then again, that pound dollar, I will be looking at the seller should be looking at this about 20 pips, about 20 pips. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar looks pretty good. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, right? Okay, I'm looking at pound dollar. So pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is looking good. Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar is looking good. Okay, so yeah. Why is that, Hubert? What did you send me? What did you send me? Take a look. All right. Yes, I'm also looking at yes, guys, I'm looking at pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar right now, okay, is now disturbing on the buyers and pretty good at this point here, all right, okay, I think we can have a great and smiling community here, mentor. Yeah, that's good. I'm good. I'm good to hear that. It's always something that I wish to have. Okay, that we can have a very cheerful, healthy community over here. All right. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Always good to treat smiling. Exactly. All right. Okay, so pound dollar is something good also. All right, so just pay attention. Okay, so pound dollar, perhaps is actually coming for one lower, okay, lower resistance, and there will be a good shot. Okay, just don't drink coffee. Why you enter DJ shot like me? My hand now getting frozen. Just don't drink coffee. Okay. Pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay. Wow. Okay. Just don't drink coffee while you enter GJ. You'll feel that you're shaking. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, pound yen. Okay, so pound yen over here. So it seems like I say, okay, the over at this area, the price has pushed up quite near to the resistance level. So putting into a selling probably will have a good chance. Okay, after if for me, okay, that's for me. But now pound yen seems like it's also still trying to, okay, let's see what's happening over here. Okay, so the retracement, so this retracement up here after, okay, after the H4 opens. Okay, so now it's pushing up. Okay, I'm pushing up now. Okay, I'm still alive. Now I know it's not good for the heart to be a cowboy. Okay, I think, yeah, I think that's true. Okay. All right. So yep. Okay. So right now, right now, okay, I'm looking at this is that this point over at this area here, the buyers are pushing after the H4 opens. Okay, because of this, I guess because of this buying. Okay, the selling came. Okay, but then again, it has started to push back again. Okay, so now it has become a hammer over. Oh, not a hammer. Sorry, over here. Okay, so over at this part here, as we can see. Okay, right. All right. So over at this part here, this is something that we can see that the buyers are coming in from this level. Okay, to push. So by the closing is not very optimistic. Okay, by the closing is not very optimistic. So then again is that the sellers right now at this point of time, by looking at M5, I'm looking at this point here. Okay, sellers are pushing down a little bit, but then again, please be very careful. As we can see, okay, from this point here, I should say this point here, the support has been tested once, so I would say the beginning is still here. It's still pushing for a higher low, and now this may be another higher low. Okay, so these are all maybe a pullbacks. Okay, these are all maybe a pullbacks. Okay, so just be very careful. All right, just be very careful. So we have to understand the situation. Okay, so right now the situation over here seems like it's actually pushing again. All right, so if it's coming back to disturb the support over here, then I think that's pretty fine. Okay, that's pretty good. And then but of course, if it's building up for another higher high, which from the higher low over here, then it's a sign that is the seller is not holding. The seller is not holding there. So I think probably some action need to be taken. Okay, all right, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar once again, okay, like this area, okay, this whole area is a area of value of coming for resistance. Okay, so this can be quite good over at this point here. Okay, so that it will become a from this level. Okay, you can see this level is the double top here. The double top have been tested once at this point. Okay, tested once at this point here. Can you see? Right. So double top have been tested once. So right now it's coming back here at this point here, the area of value here, where support become a resistance at this level to become a lower resistance. To become a lower resistance. So when you see a lower resistance, it also means that it will create a lower low. It will create a lower low. Okay, all right. So yeah, pound dollar still good. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is not very good now. Okay, this is what I meant, Hubert. Okay, can you see here? Okay, so that's one breaking through our resistance, retest the resistance as a support, and now it's coming for a buying signal. Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Hi. Okay, let's take a look at this dollar CAD. This is what I always say. Okay, it breaks the resistance, coming back to retest the support, the previous resistance as a support over here. Now it's building up a buying. Okay, it's now building up a buying. So this buying over here, okay, can be quite dangerous. Okay, it can be quite dangerous now. So just take note. Okay, just take note of this. Okay, right. So yeah, then okay. So over here it's testing. Okay, now although it's coming down, but doesn't mean it's breaking through. Okay, still testing. So just pay attention first. Just paying attention first. Okay, paying attention first. All right. Okay, unless it come back here. Okay. Aha, now get ready. You see, it's still testing on the support, right? You see, can you see? Okay, hopefully it breaks through. Hopefully it breaks through. Okay, then after that, now we can see, now it's breaking through, right? So seems like it's breaking through. Okay, just now I was saying that it's coming down. If it's a green candle pushing up, all right, then I think that is a buying signal. Then we have to be very careful. So for this instant, now it's breaking through downwards, correct? It's breaking through downwards now. Okay, seems like very fierce. Okay, now very harsh. So now wait for the next retracement. Wait for this. Okay, I'm going to wait for this level. Okay, around here. Retest and I'm going to enter. Okay, retest and I'm going to enter. All right. Okay, so hang on. Okay, just hang on. Right. So yep, dollar CAD. Okay, right. Okay, your SL on top. Okay, no, the moment. Okay, if this is if you're talking about this, okay, dollar CAD TP 12 pips, very good, congratulations. Okay, congratulations, Carol. Okay, well done. So over at this point here, if this retest and the buying is coming, I will not cut the trade immediately unless it shows the price go higher, okay, breaking through, okay, then I will start to cut off my trade manually. So from here to here, okay, estimate I should be, if my losing trade should be about 10 pips, about 10. All right, so from just now where we are going to enter, it's about 10. Okay, so if it's not, then now we are going for 40, 40, okay, 40, okay, right, 40, okay, yep, okay, okay, so quite good, okay, yep. Okay, so now dollar CAD is actually coming back here. Okay, this level, coming back into this level. Okay, So it's going to slow down a little bit. So probably there will be a pullback. Okay, there may be a little bit pullback here to come back for us to have a chance over here. It should be around here. Either pull back to here or a new resistance below. Okay, that will be my entry. Okay, that will be my entry. All right. Well done, Carol. Congratulations. Okay, all right. Then this is good. Okay, so we are looking at this. So we have to understand here the landing is not very good. Keep testing, ranging around. Okay, then when it comes to this level, okay, when it started to break through, don't get so excited that don't get so devastated that you're going to SL. Okay, wait for it to retest. If it's going to hit on the previous resistance as a support to go for a buy, then we will cut the trade from there. Okay, all right. So if it's coming back, just now as I was explaining, okay, I wanted to say this. If it coming back here to retest the resistance, okay, and building downwards, okay, then that will be a good one. Okay, that will be a good one. All right. Now it's of course breaking this support over here. Correct. Okay. Now we are going to wait for. Now my setup is going to be like this. I'm going to wait for the price to retrace, to retest again the previous support. Okay, if then not breaking, then I will start selling. Okay, if not, a new resistance, then I will start selling. Okay, a new resistance, then I will start selling. Okay, all right. You see, mentor, many took TP already. Wow, many cowboys. Okay, right. Okay, so yep. All right, so this is something that just to take note. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, fantastic. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, good job. Okay, right. This is about, from here we should be looking about 18 pips already. Okay, good job. Okay, I'm the good girl waiting patiently. Hi, Mei Mei, 你好. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Very good. All right, 很好. Okay, sometimes yeah, have to pay a little bit of patience. Okay, if you didn't enter, then we just wait. I'm also waiting. Okay, I'm also waiting. What if we don't have a chance? If we don't have a chance, that means we missed. Then that's fine. Am I right? That's pretty fine. If we don't have a chance, then that's pretty fine. At least we don't lose money. Am I right? Okay. Yep. Okay. So yep. Okay. Yes. 哎，美美，我们有一个我刚开始的一个群 ，OK， 所以你如果要也可以加入，因为这个是 for 马来西亚的 ，OK， 我们在里面会有教学，好不好 ？OK， so over here, yeah, looking at the dollar CAD at this point here. Oh yeah, sorry. Look at pound dollar. So it's testing, but after that it's have a breakout over here. Well, I guess at this point, okay, this is something over here, a push. So I guess dollar CAD is coming soon for dollar CAD may be coming soon for a retracement. So yep, I guess it's coming soon very well. So just hang on. Okay, just hang on. Probably in the next hour, as I can see now, it's pushing down. Okay, so over at this support, after it breaks, retest. Now we can see breaks and retest once again. Then it will be better. Okay, so that's why you can see, as you can see here, If this is going to retrace, okay, if this is going to retrace upwards, okay, it's going to retrace upward to retest, then I will start selling from here. Alternatively, if it's not, it may have a new resistance below, and where it will be, where the new resistance will be. Okay, so I will take this the support level over from here, from the far left, as you can see here and here. So you will be able to see after it breaks, then it come back for retesting. Okay, so you go back to M5, you can see this is the level. Highly likely this level is going to be the new resistance. Okay, it's going to be new resistance. All right, well done, Trends United. Okay, so yeah, maybe on the next hour. Yes. Okay, so I just let you know how you can gauge where is the next resistance. Okay, so you will somehow rather know, okay, be prepared at which level. Okay, you will be prepared at which level, so that it will help you. Okay, that will help you. Okay, yeah. Sabrina, yes, Sabrina. How did you manage to read the chart as if you are controlling, manipulating, remoting the price? Me? You are talking about me, or you're talking about the market? Okay. I'm just basing on the sentimental of the market, on how the price is moving, right? How the price is moving. So I guess this probably will give me a head up, okay, about what's going to happen. Okay, yeah. Dollar yen, okay, you're laughing. Dollar yen, yes. Why? Because it's going to test on the resistance. Okay, so let's see. All right, so yeah, it is, yes, it is. Dollar yen, it is. Okay, so quite a good one. So if dollar yen able to, if the resistance able to hold, okay, I will say that we will have a good chance from here to this. Okay, about 30 pips, okay, of space here. From this support here, the beginning of this wave, okay, this swing, we can see there's a higher support going to break the resistance. Am I right? Going to break the resistance. Okay, so at this point here, as we can see, all right, this point here, this point, we are still going to test the resistance, and higher support towards the resistance is a sign of strength to break the resistance. Okay, so if this is going to test and it's not breaking, right, in H1 will tell you, okay, then probably we will be looking at the level that we'll be looking for a selling cycle. If, okay, not yet, if. Okay, all right. Yep. So I would say that for dollar yen, quite a good chance to sell. Okay, to sell if only it's starting to disturb the buyer. If the seller coming in to disturb the buyer, so that means the pattern, the buying pattern over here. Okay, even so, I think this round, I think this is going to be a very short one. Yeah, this is going to be a very short one. It's not very let me see, 1 to 20 pips away. Then after that, it will have a good chance for 100 from about 80 pips. Yeah, I think so. 60, 70. Yeah, about there, about 60, 70. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, dollar CAD, huh? All right. Trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% waiting. A cowboy's contrary. Well, okay. I guess so. I guess so. Yeah. All right. Yes, indeed. I do. Yes, like Aaron said, I also agree. Okay, 10% waiting, buying, 10% waiting to sell. Okay, so 80% is all waiting time. Correct. So yeah, Bradley. Haha, Bradley. Okay. So I will say okay. Like a dollar cat. Okay. We are waiting. Okay, from here the selling is there. If the selling indeed is there, but just now when it comes to become a double bottom, it's no good. The situation changed all of a sudden, correct? So if you already entered a trade, then probably get yourself prepared for the stop loss. Okay, get ready for the stop loss. But if the stop loss didn't come, okay, of course we can continue to hold. All right. So such a situation, I will say that the situation comes along, okay, like this. Okay, you got your TP, you got a profit, which is good. Okay, so for those like me, I have not entered any of that. Then over here, I'll be waiting for this level to retest again because this landing area. Just now we were talking about the landing, am I right? So the landing has become a resistance. So if this coming in and retest and it's not going into the area, it's still being rejected. That means to say this is quite a strong resistance. Then from here, I will start to sell. Okay, from here then I will start to sell. So at this level, let's see where into the overview over here. So it will be like this. So it will become a trending market. So when it comes back, it may become a trending market to continue the selling. Am I right? Okay, so you can see the trending is ongoing. Then it will be a much safer one and also a strong one to sell down. Okay, to test on the support here, which is about 40 pips, 40. So today, as I said over here, okay, if I zoom in, now I am in my profitable area. So my profitable area from the current area here to this area, a support of 40, a total of about 60, 70 around there. Okay, 60, 70 pips. So we have a potential for running about 60 to 70 pips. But of course, within these 60 to 70 pips, I only have one hurdles, which is over here, 40, the 40 pips mark. Okay, so yeah. So to match up with these 40 pips, which I want to take these 40 pips, I want to find a very strong entry, okay, for me to enter. If you're asking me, hey, can I enter now since there's a big drop here? But I'm left with about 25. I'm left with about 25 pips. I think it's not, it's not really that good. I wouldn't want to chase it. Okay, right? Yeah, that's nice. RR. That's nice. RR. Double R. Okay. Your double R stands for? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar. Pound dollar is now okay. Put it this way. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay. This I would say this area. This level. We have to be very careful with this level, because this level may be the level that become a higher support. This level may become a higher support. So just be careful. If this level can break through, okay, can break down, all right, then I think that the pound dollar will have a new chance after the retesting. Okay. Okay, reward ratio. Oh, I see. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So I guess still good. Okay. Right. Let me see. You're sending me a report, huh? Okay, let's see, okay. 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 I would say that tentatively 1007. I will advise 61,007. So each trade I will roughly risk about 600. Okay, 600. So you can work it out for that $600. Okay, then 600. So if you're entering in 0.6, a 6 lot will be 10 pips of losses. Okay, 0.6 should be 100. Okay. So I guess let me calculate out for you. Hang on. I guess 6. I think 0.3. I think 0.3 is good. Okay, 0.3. 6. Okay, guys. Over here, okay, we are talking about account balance. Okay, so 60,000. Okay, let's put it 60,000. Forget about the 67. Okay, so 7,000. Forget about it. Okay, so 60. Okay, so the 60. Sorry, hang on. Before I do the calculation, let's take a look at pound yen first. Okay. Okay, pound yen. Okay, so pound yen right now, it seems like it's now pushing through. Trends United, I hope still good for you. My SL got hit on GJ. No more trade for me today. Going back tomorrow. Okay, very good. Very disciplined. Very disciplined. Okay, not my day to be a cowboy. Okay. Right. So yeah, I think the for the stop loss, I'm afraid that this level is the resistance level. Okay, this level is the resistance level. So when it comes to this level, right? Okay, so usually, sorry. Let me somewhere here. Okay, so over here. So when it hits on the resistance, then probably I will start selling from here, around here, so that probably I will have 1, 2, 3, about 40 pips of profit. Okay, so yep. Okay, Trends United. Okay, I will stay supporting your live stream. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Maybe if dollar can give us a pullback, I will enter. Okay, all right. Dollar cat. Yes. Dollar CAD. Okay. Oh yeah, dollar CAD, huh? Dollar CAD. Wow. Dollar CAD looks good. Looks good. Okay. CAD looks good. Hang on for a little while. Okay. I think a pullback is coming soon. Okay. I think the pullback is coming soon. Okay. All right. So over here, now come back here. Just now we are on the topic of 60,000 account. Okay, 60,000 account. So you have 67, correct? You have 67. You have a 67, correct? So 67 over here. So I just place it at 60, so that's much easier. So 60, you are going for 10%. There will be 6,000 losses. Then 1% will be 600. Okay, so you're basing on 600. So you can work it out. If you're going to lose $600 per trade, okay, 600 per trade, then how many pips are you going to prepare to lose for this 600? Okay, so work it out, like say on your versus your lot size. If this $600, okay, $600, if you take 10 pips, you are going for 10 pips, 6 lot, okay, on the average, on the average. If 6 lot, 60 and 10 pips will be 600, so it will be very easy to clear, correct? So not very logical. Okay, it's too tight, the space is too tight. So once again, if I'm going to about 0.6, okay, about 0.6, so 0.6 it will give you 100 pips, okay, 100 pips. Okay, so of course you don't work it out that way to to really hold to really set your SL as 100 pips, right? You don't. Okay, so probably you can work it out like say depends on the situation. Like just now, okay, probably you're only 10 over pips. That will be a bonus for you to lose a little bit, but you can get more. Okay. Alternatively, you can work on like 0.3 or 1.2. Okay, 1.2 lots or 0.3, so that you can have a buffer, a bigger buffer there. Okay, all right. So yeah, almost. So you have to work on that. Okay. Yeah, Pound Yen took my SL, then 4. Got 4 more today. No good. Well, like I said earlier on over here, if you set your SL at this resistance level, okay, you will always have a feeling that it took my SL, then it start to fall, then it will trigger you to okay, I'm going to sell again to recover back. Okay, to recover back. All right. Okay. Then in this case, you will actually trigger a chasing trade. You get what I mean? So this, but like I say, okay, my target is actually here. Right, my target is actually here. This is the major one that I'm looking out for. This area, okay, this whole area. All right. Okay, let me do this again. Estimate like this. Okay, so for this area is my resistance area. Okay, this is my resistance area. So once again, okay, so this part here, okay, so what we are looking at is that this area here, along the way, they're bound to have some pullbacks. When you come for the resistance here, there may be a pullback. But if you set your when you set your SL, the situation is to set your SL at the resistance. Okay, when it started to slide down, like you say, GJ took my SL then 4, then probably sometimes people who don't have a very good discipline like you, okay, they will start to, okay, since this is the resistance, then I'm going to pump in another trade to sell. But who knows, this is actually just a pullback. Then in the end, it will still start to escalate further up this area. Then you will suffer another losses. Okay, so guys, when you are placing your stop loss, okay, try and avoid setting your stop loss at the level of resistance, because you see, why number one here, okay, number one over here, the situation here is that when you are placing your SL on the resistance, which is already wrong. Why? Is because when you meet the resistance, it will tend to pull back a bit. From the pullback, it may lead to selling, correct? So if we are selling, we should be selling from the resistance, but not selling, but not setting the SL on the resistance. So it's totally different. Okay, it's a different thing. So in this case, okay, we have to understand that when we hit our SL, when we place our SL, if we are selling, all right, we should place above the resistance. That means it breaks the resistance, and there's some sign of buying again. Then of course no good, correct? No good. Then that is definitely not the right one. That we should be cutting the trade. Okay, all right. So I'm not taking any more GJ trade, just looking at UC. If I lose one or two on one pair, I stop and wait. Review my strategy strongly. My fault getting FOMO. Cowboy, you are the culprit. Okay. Okay, so yep. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. I guess just now earlier on the dollar yen, it came down here to here. It's about 8 to 9 pips. 8 to 9 pips. Like I mentioned over here, this is the moving support here. The moving support here. If it's still respecting the moving support, I guess probably this is the point that is quite tricky. Okay, right. So this is something that we should be taking into consideration. If it's not breaking through and starting to retrace upward, just cut the profit. Okay, just cut the profit. Be very decisive. Okay, if it's not supposed to, then just cut the profit. Okay, right. So right now, dollar yen, we are giving dollar yen is giving us another signal. Okay, so dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is now testing on the resistance once again. Okay, we are at the resistance level, the entry of the resistance level area. Okay, here. So right now, over at this point here, is it a good time that I just go into a trade right now? No. Okay, so dollar yen, that I'm going to wait for retesting. Okay, or a lower resistance. Okay, right. Cowboy is not for me, huh? Okay, yep. Anyway, not to worry. Okay, I'll come back. Dollar CAD. Yeah. Okay, dollar CAD is having a pullback, which is good. All right. Aha. It's coming back for a pullback. Okay, that's good. So probably we got a chance. Yes, dollar yen. Sorry, euro yen. Euro yen. Okay, after retracing upward to test the resistance. Okay, now guys, this is another example. If you are going to, if this is the resistance, let's say this is pound yen. Okay, if this is pound yen. So pound yen is escalating up. Okay, at this resistance, I will not place my SL over here. I'll wait for it to break it. Okay, goes higher, come back like here, coming back to retest. Okay, because this is the resistance, so it may retest to go back to the resistance, and all these are actually is a fake breakout. It's a false breakout or institutional. Okay, so it may, but if it's not, let's say it comes back like now like this, retest the previous resistance as a support, and candle is now moving as a buying signal above higher, then I think that is no good. Then from there, then I will cut the trade. Okay, from there, then I will cut the trade. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so just pay attention. So for Euro Yen, certain things like this now from this level is also tested on the moving support and started to move or higher support. Just now we were saying the higher support moving towards the resistance is trying to break the resistance. Am I right? So breaking, come back, retest. Now buying is coming again. So buying is coming again. So doesn't look good. So doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, right? Okay, so this is not very ideal. Okay, this is not very ideal. No selling now. Unless it comes back and below retest the resistance once again. Okay. Yep. Powcat a bit yeah, just now we are saying that Powcat after retesting, correct? It's a double top. Now it's not breaking out again. That's why it started to slide. So, but then again, is that this is no, this not for selling yet right now. Okay. DJ moves like gold. Did okay. Well, amazing. You have great imagination there. All right. All right. Yeah, then let's wait first. Let's see if GJ is going to meet up with this resistance. Okay, then probably we'll start selling from there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's come back here again and dollar CAD. Yep, dollar CAD over here. Okay, it seems like selling is still in progress. Still good. Dollar CAD is still good. I'm just waiting for the correct time for me to enter a trade. Yep. All right. Okay. Yes, I will say that tentatively for now, okay, I think still good. Yeah, still going good. Okay. Yeah, so sorry, what's this? SMC straight higher percent on this pound yen. Yeah, I guess so. Dollar CAD is actually yes. Supply and demand. Okay. Yep. Oh, you're talking about, I can see on your charts, huh? Okay. Okay. Right, let's take a look at dollar CAD first. Okay, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Seems like dollar CAD is actually seems like is coming to really push higher. Okay. Like dollar is getting a bit stronger now to recover the losses over here. Okay, today a bit slow, huh? Today, yeah. So I guess hopefully tomorrow will be better. I think tomorrow should be quite good. I think tomorrow will be quite good because tomorrow I think a lot of dollar pair will start to sell. tomorrow. Okay. Maybe because maybe getting ready for the minutes, for the FOMC minutes. Okay, probably highly likely. Okay, I think so. Yeah, today a bit slow, huh? Yes. Now looking at this, tomorrow we smash the market. Yeah, tomorrow, yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see. See, if I'm talking about pound dollar, okay, if I'm talking about pound dollar, okay, I think the pound dollar, if this pound dollar is going to be, if the pound dollar going to stay around this area, 1, 2. Well, I think the pound dollar should stay around here. If the pound dollar is going to stay around here, tomorrow, I guess we may have a good chance. 100 over pips, 142. 142. Well, I think that 142 may be quite potential, right? Looks like it's coming over at this point. Okay, that this is something that what we can see. Okay. Now this part here, I'm actually looking at I'm actually looking at how it's going to move today, right? That if this is not moving so fantastic, that pound dollar should have a good chance to sell. Yeah. Yes, I think today or tomorrow, I think tomorrow the pound dollar should start to sell. Yeah. Okay. Let's say euro dollar. Euro dollar is already in the bear. So today have a retracement, which is good. This retracement should move up higher so that we will be able to short more, sell more. If euro dollar can test the resistance, it will be so much better. Another 100 pips. Okay. Alright, so euro dollar, let me do a calculation. Yeah, I think euro dollar may have a good chance. Euro dollar may have a good chance to test around. We are now quite near to this resistance already. Okay, we are now here over at this point here. Okay, over at this point here. So if this resistance, if we manage to if the resistance managed to hold, okay, if the resistance managed to hold, then I guess probably selling of the euro dollar is possible tomorrow as well. Okay, yeah, quite a good chance. Okay, right. What I did 10 minutes, I wait. 80 minutes, 10 minutes, I wait. 80% I took trade like cowboy. No good. You're having a reversal, man. Yeah, I guess so, huh? Okay. Yeah, so anyway, yes, today not much, not many. Yeah, how can is also not doing well. How frank is also nothing there. Okay. Right, pound dollar, all right. Pound dollar, I guess, yeah. I think pound dollar, yes. Probably tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, not many. Rules. Yeah. Forex trading, largely talking about rules, am I right? Okay, so it's something that we should take note also. Okay. Okay, so once again, all right. Okay, so dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Looks like dollar CAD is coming. Okay, dollar CAD is coming. Dollar CAD. Yeah. Okay, but this dollar CAD, if we're going to enter a trade now, we need to be very careful because we just need to pay attention that at this point, this area of support which become a resistance, am I right? So as you can see, it actually retested the resistance over here in M5. Okay, so we have a retest the resistance. So will there be a chance? Okay, will there be a chance that we are going to we will have a chance to enter for a trade? Okay. Yep. Dollar CAD. Okay, we have another 12 minutes. I shall go offline. Okay, so yes, dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, yes. See you tomorrow. Yep. Last 12 minutes. Okay, you have to go. Okay, have a good day. Right, enjoy your day. And now dollar CAD. All right, 美美你有在吗？美美。Okay, if you are waiting, those are waiting for dollar CAD. Okay, those are waiting for dollar CAD. Okay. For those who are waiting for dollar CAD, huh? Okay. Right. Drop a like, everyone. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Yep. All right. So dollar CAD over here. Seems like a dollar CAD is coming. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, but thanks again, Trans United. Okay. Two trades a day takes my FOMO away. That's a good phrase. Right. Okay, so yeah, okay, so guys, once again over here, dollar cat over here at this point, just pay attention. Okay, just make sure. Okay, just make sure. All right, since just now we were talking about this level to retest at this level, am I right? Okay, so after retesting this level, and this is where, as in H1, you can see the overview over here. All right, this, it may come back for retesting. Okay, then we'll continue the selling. Correct? Okay, so it may form a new lower resistance to continue the selling, which is over here. Okay, this level. Why do I say this level? Is because of the support over at this level, and the support here. So if the support is breaking, then retest below, okay, the support, then start to sell. All right, then this will be the new lower resistance from here. Okay, from this area. Okay, so this area over here is one of the support here, correct? So it breaks the support, so it may pull back for another lower low. So to create a lower low, it will pull back for a lower resistance first, then it will go for a lower low. Okay, yeah. So this is something that that we are looking out for. One round of dollar cat, so probably we may want to look out for the second round of the dollar cat as well. Okay, so this is where we can pay attention to. Okay, yes, right. Yep. For dollar cat, yes, dollar cat. I will be looking out for dollar cat like this. The dollar cat. Yep. Okay, so dollar cat, as we can see, because of this is the resistance where actually comes from the H1 over here, the previous support, correct? Okay, so H4, can you see H4? Okay, this level of support, correct? So yeah, if it's coming back to retest, okay, you see it went back to retest, and coming here is like a breaking through, but it's coming back into the resistance area, correct? Now, as we can see, the candle is actually having a buying signal to test, but it's not pushing downwards. So with this, okay, if there's an engulfing candle over here, okay, engulfing candle, right? So as we can see from here, over here, shooting star, then a sign of the selling is actually coming soon. Okay, coming soon. So over at this point here, coming into the resistance of the H1, previous support as a resistance over there, and this level now is starting to retest the resistance. So without breaking the resistance, it's having a green, red selling signal. Okay, like H1, we have a selling signal like this, continue the selling. So M5, okay, we have engulfing candle with these formations, with these candle patterns over here. All right. So over at this point here, okay, we can actually look out for selling. We can look out for selling here. Dollar cat, okay, we can look out for selling over here. It's just that the number of pips that you are, which I'm going to take, okay, probably may be a bit different, okay, from here, right? So I'll be looking out for here. So another 24 pips, another 20 to 24 pips, okay? Yeah. Will there be a chance that it will break this level of support? Yes, there may be a chance, okay, because if I'm going to I'm going to look out for this. Okay. Okay, this area, my profitable area of space, I guess from here right down to here we have about 50. 50. Okay, so dollar CAD highly possible. Yes, highly possible. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Yep. I think that's good. Okay. Dollar CAD slow, but you're taking your profit. I think that's good. Okay. So tomorrow, I guess tomorrow I think will be a good day. I think all action will comes in. All right, but of course I think they will come in because of the FOMO meeting minutes. I mean, not FOMO. I'm not talking about. Oh my god. Okay. I keep thinking. I keep thinking of trends. Okay. So yeah. Before this FOMC. Okay, not FOMO. FOMC meeting minutes. Okay. So I guess it will be good. Okay. Tomorrow shall be good. Okay. I think many people in the market will start to grab before they actually got into on the Wednesday. Okay, so yep. Yes. I guess this $9 CAD. I think dollar CAD. I think dollar CAD. Yeah, I guess dollar CAD is still in search of a support. Dollar CAD is still in search of support. It's already selling. Dollar CAD selling. Yes. Okay, dollar CAD selling. Okay, dollar CAD selling. All right. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay, so now, okay. Yep. Okay. Right, so I guess now a bit slow. Okay, just wait for the US market to open so that the second half, okay, will have a better one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Congratulations. I believe I will give an advance congratulations first for dollar CAD. Okay, just take note. Okay, just take note, guys. Okay. Okay, just take note over here. From the current price, we have about 26 pips, about 20 to 26 pips of space. Okay. Then we also have a potential. We have a potential of 48 in total, 48 pips in total for this round. Okay, for this round. Okay, so just manage your entry. Okay, and your lot size. All right. So just play along with the market. Okay, make sure the situation that you understand before you enter a trade. Okay, right. Okay, so I guess that should be all for me today. For those that just joined into my YouTube channel, all right, thank you so much for coming by, and I shall see you tomorrow. 2 hours before before 2 hours. No, not 2 hours. Sorry, it's 2 hours before my London hour. Okay, my London live streaming. I will be going live streaming once again. Okay, to analyze, to find out what are the currency pairs I should focus. Okay, then after that I will be coming in the London hour to have a live streaming with all of you together. Right? Thank you, Carol. All right, thank you, Carol. And over at this point here, okay, I shall wish all of you good profit tonight. I'm sure you have good profit tonight. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys will have good profit tonight. Okay. Okay, later on, after this, when the US market opens, okay, for me it's tonight, huh? For you it's afternoon. All right. Okay. Yes. Yes, I think this is something. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Correct, Hubert, you're right. Okay. Yes, thank you, Hubert. See you tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you so much for attending this session. If you're still alongside, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, for all of you here, smash the like button to show a little appreciation for my effort behind the video. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also ring out the bell so they can get the notification. All right. Okay, so everything from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your trading, reporting for profits later, and also see you tomorrow. Okay, in a very happy, high spirit mode to celebrate your profit the day before. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you again.